Hi guys, and welcome in a new video. Today we learn something new. We will help we very much. It's a shading. It's a material of a montage. The the work. For example, the cap. If you want to uh, plus the colors, very much thing. We say that. In the last lessons, we'll learn about layout and bidden. Today we'll learn about shading. Is the montage. The last step in the work. Okay. We add a plan. This clock in N Z1. Okay, like this. This N. Just what? ZN. Okay, not a problem. Not a problem. We just clock in. Yeah, like this. The plan is so. Yeah, clock in S for. Mhm. In the SIP, you can make anything, uh, not just a cube, but we just learn about the colors and this, so we don't need anything. Okay, we go in the shading. Mhm. Just wait. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, this is good. Um, sound not happening. Yeah, we just wait a few minutes. It's so slow. I don't know for the reason. Okay. Okay. Right. Uh, we click in the object like the plan, and we click in new. Okay. The new we can add the colors and very much scale. Okay, like this for the colors. Like we the plan in any colors you want. Okay. Uh, and this for the little like uh the share or I don't know. Mhm. You can use this what you want, okay? Just try and try and try. And in the last, you have the results what you want, okay? Just use this and yeah. What else? I don't know where is the cup. What? Okay. This is for the colors, and we can also plus the other thing. For example, the color like this. I tried black bar. It's really I forget how to work, but I don't know. This for hair color like this. Uh, see color. Try this. Okay, okay. We just delete. Okay. I want to tell you a thing. It's like we want to say what happened in the camera. Like we don't clock in zero um, every 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 work. We clock in this and keyboard vertical splits or the horizontal splits or one of this. Okay. For example, vertical like this. We click in Z and Z like this, and we click in render to see what's happening in the camera. Okay, 8. This what happened. For example, the the animation is not good like this. Uh-huh. Okay, you can see what happened. Not every time click and render image. It's so okay like this. Okay, you can see the final results and render image. He take a time. Okay, okay, okay. Uh-huh. This is the time for the image. I don't know what, but we don't have a problem. Okay, this or out. in the film. I want to. I wish to like these videos, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.